In a world where pressure is high, birds fly though.
Going to start it for the first time.
Intention to travel, but how we do so. It's our plan for the long game, as a trail appears. Through the rough Europe. Is this where it begins? We'll drive north and north, unprepared as hell, from Italy to Norway. A rental van and goodwill.
Ready?
I'm ready. I'm ready!
Are you ready to join our ride? Our adventure?
This is
Lost in Europe.
For Sweden! Wahoo! All around.
Our first van life adventure.
Welcome to the imova.com van tour. Fiat Ducato. This video is not sponsored.
Here we are at the van tour. Valentina is making first breakfast in the van.
Yeah.
So nice. Where we are. Of course in Italy. Rotating chairs. Here's our panel. Water and electricity.
How do you put the fire out? I don't know how to put the fire out. It's still on. Thank you so much.
It's on. Okay. We just found out we got extra space on top of the van. Okay. By the way, look at this view. Snow on the mountains over there. It's cloudy today. A little rain expected. Okay. This is our garage. Just turn on the gas. Don't leave it on while driving. It's dangerous. We had our first night of sleep and it's a very nice bed. Better than expected, right?
Better than expected.
We had like 9 hours sleep. Very nice. We are renting the van with imova.
Or Imova.
Imova. First time you can rent the van for $1 a day, and we have 2 weeks from Venezia to Norway as Valentina is spilling onion.
Dropping the onion. Thank you, baby. I'm a clumsy one. I know. No.
And we just fueled the van for the first time. How many liters were going in? 65?
65.
Yeah. And it's
About 100 euros.
yeah, 100 euros in Italy, and we can like drive 1,000 kilometers with it. So it's a very sufficient van.
Yeah.
No.
Not bad.
No. How is the egg going?
It's great. The bacon is baked and now I'm cutting the onions to bake the onions.
Prosciutto di Parma con
Peperoncino.
sì,
E ajo.
we're struggling a bit with the language, but we're trying.
I'm Italian and I don't know a word Italian.
Yeah, so she
But I
has,
know Spanish.
she has Italian blood, and and I take her for the first time into Italy.
My father liked that part.
Yeah. Okay, I want to climb up, but I don't think
I'm
it's a
sorry.
good idea right now. Let's try.
Lego.
It smells nice.
Thank you, darling. I'm doing my best.
Maybe you want to hold the chair for its moving.
Okay.
Look at this. And we're upstairs. Holy crap. This is so cool. This is so cool. Do we have an extra view here? Let's open this up. Oh, nice. There are even chargers up here
Really?
for your phone.
Nice.
And the ventilation system. Wow.
Hey, are you closing me in?
I'm closing me in. Ciao tutti! Okay, I'm not going to risk to fall down here right now. You'll get that later.
We'll get that.
But there are lights. Can you turn on the lights? Okay. Look at this. Oh, it's fully open. I don't want to open it fully.
Ow! I'm okay. I think I'm not, but I'm fine.
I want to open window. Ah, nice. Holy crap. This is so cool. This is so cool. Amazing. Okay, I guess that was the first van tour.
I guess so.
Yeah. Thanks everyone. And see you guys next time. Bye!